Hey guys, it's Haley and today I'm going to be showing you 3 flirty fun hairstyles. So my hair is mostly straight and I washed it like 3 days ago. So now I'm just going to be brushing it out using my finger brush. And for the first one I'm going to have to section my hair off. So I'm just going to put the top half up in a bun to get it out of the way, and we are going to get started. For this one, you're going to need a straightener. So this one is a Chi. It's from years and years ago. And right now, I am just kind of smoothing out my hair, but at the end, you can see I am starting to flip it underneath. So I don't want anything crazy, but I want a little bit of a flip just for that more vintage look. So I'm doing that on this bottom layer of my hair, and I'm just going to do this throughout my whole entire head. Alright, so now I'm taking down the top half of my hair, just gonna kind of brush it out with my fingers, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing to the top half. And I'm really making sure I'm smoothing everything down and then going back and flipping it in. So I don't want any like waves or anything in my hair. I just want it to be straight, and then at the end we're just kind of flicking the wrist a little bit. And you could do this with a curling iron, but I think it's easier to do it with a straightener. So now I'm just going to be teasing my hair a little bit with the brush. I don't want anything like too drastic for teasing, so that's why I'm using a brush and not a comb. I just want a little bit of volume, and then I'm gonna immediately brush that out. So we're starting to get that blowout look. It looks like we just went to the salon and got a blowout. So now I'm gonna be taking this Rezza hairspray and just putting a little bit in my hair just to give it a little bit of hold, and it just kind of helps with volume, and it smells amazing. So you could totally just leave it like this and be on your way, but I thought it would be really cute to add this little rhinestone clip. I showed this in my Valentine's Day tutorial, and I just love this barrette so much. It's so cute, and it just adds a little touch of something different. So this is hairstyle number 1, guys. Alright, moving on to number 2. Gonna go ahead and take out my barrette, and we're just gonna brush through our hair and start all over again. So for this one, it's nice that we've already kind of smoothed down and straightened our hair. It's gonna make this one take a little bit less time. So this is gonna be a half up, half down style. So I am collecting the top half of my hair up on my head, and I am smoothing that out with a brush just to make sure there are no lumps, and I don't want my part showing in this. It's going to be more of a more clean looking half ponytail. So I'm gathering this up on the top of my head. You can see I've gotten it smoothed out, and I'm just going to go ahead and secure this with a hair tie. I would have rather used like a clear elastic, but I did not have one handy, so I'm just using a hair tie that is a similar color to my hair. Alright, and I'm just kind of moving that around, tightening it a little bit, and you can see we have a cute little ponytail. So I am going to go ahead and wrap my hair around the ponytail just so it looks a little bit more put together, and then I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin. And there we go. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm just taking my straightener one more time and adding a little bit more flippage because I lost some of it when I brushed out my hair, so I'm just doing that to the actual ponytail and to the bottom half of my hair. These have similar vibes, but this one's just a little bit different. So this is so cute, and this is number 2. Alright guys, now for number 3. I'm going to take my hair down out of this ponytail, and we are doing something completely different this time. We're not doing anything with the straightener. I'm using a 1.5 inch barrel curling iron from Hot Tools, and I'm just going to curl all of my hair away from my face, and I am leaving about 1 inch off of the end. so it's more of a wave and like a bend in the hair as opposed to a curl. So I'm just going to repeat this all over my entire head. I'm not going to switch the rotation of the curls. I'm just doing everything the exact same way. And then once I get to the top layer, then I will let you know what I do there. But for now, we're just curling our hair like normal, all away from our face. Alright, now I took down the top layer, and when I get to the top, I do this at a downward angle for the most part. I go ahead and grab the hair on top of my head, and instead of curling it just normally, I point the curling iron down, and I just kind of let go of it that way, just because I don't want my front pieces to be super curly. I think this makes them look a little bit more natural and wavy as opposed to curly. So that is what I do, and I went ahead and did the other side off camera. And now I'm just kind of shaking everything out. I want everything to look very effortless and kind of just like beachy and romantic. So that's why I'm brushing everything out, and then I am going to tease just a little bit for some volume. My hair is very thick, and so when I curl it, it looks kind of bottom heavy. So I always curl 2 layers at the top, just so it kind of balances everything out. Do that to the back as well. Go ahead and comb everything out. And then I'm just going to be finishing off with that Rezza hairspray. Just kind of spraying all over generously. Do a little head bang in action, and we are good to go. So it looks so cute like this. I decided it looked cute to tuck behind the ear, and you could totally leave it like this, but I thought again I could incorporate a little bit of a barrette moment. So I'm just placing this on the other side of my head this time, and I think that gives it a really cute romantic look as well. So that is going to be it for this tutorial, guys. I hope that you have a very fun and safe Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!